Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our UKN-3 utility knife. This heavy-duty utility knife is the perfect addition to any tradesman or technician's toolkit. This utility knife features the following: a rugged zinc alloy die-cast housing that is lightweight and durable. Push button to gain easy access for blade replacement. This means you don't require any tools to open it. There is a storage compartment inside that will hold 3 additional blades. The tool has 4 different positions for cutting efficiency, has a tethering hole at the bottom, and comes standard with 1 blade already installed. Thank you.